Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use keyframes. So let's jump right into the video without wasting any seconds. So I just grabbed the video and dragged it into the timeline. And here what you can do is, let's say I want to zoom in, okay, to this part of this video, to this portion of this video. I like to zoom in, alright? And you can use keyframe to achieve this goal. So let's say the zoom, I also want the zoom to start from here. So now what I have to do is to head over to position and size, because we have to zoom in, so the position of this video will change. And we have to, and also the scaling will change, and maybe we want to rotate, and you can also just click add keyframe here and it will add for scale, position, and rotate. And then we also have this here, this dot here, you see here. And now when we move the video and we want the zoom to start from here, and now we increase the scale, we move, so because we moved it was added keyframe automatically because we moved the video, because we already have a keyframe here. I hope I explain, and the way I explain you understand the way I explain. And now because we zoomed in, we changed the scale. Now we also have a scale keyframe for scale and also for position. And now as you can see, if you can see here, we have these two keyframes here, and these two keyframes will simply do this job. You see here, also make sure you look right over here when I do this, when I play the video. You see the position is changing and the scale is changing. Okay, this is not, we don't have any position change or scale. And here we added a keyframe that is changing position and scale. So I hope you understood. I hope I explained it correctly, understand the way it works now. That's the tutorial for today. Thank you for watching this video, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials, for more Capcut tutorials. Okay, thank you for watching and take care.